Hi guys, I'm about to get ready to take out this sew-in. I've been had it in for 6 weeks and it's time to take it out.
I'ma pull up on your bitch like when I hit the...
I am so relieved to be taking this out my hair, you guys. You don't even know. I've been had this in for 6 weeks. That is a long time for me. I usually keep my hair in for 4 weeks. But I was waiting on Bay to come, and Bay ain't come, so here I am taking out my own sew-in.
About what's next, think about what you gon' do. You can't stop thinking about what you both been through. Hell, love is real. Love is hell. Can't you tell? Huh? You say that love is heaven, but I just can't tell. In my experience, love is nothing but hell. So I might as well just go and take this L. Cause every time I try, it always fucking fail. What's next? Sick and tired of this stress. Need to get up, dust myself off, go and get some self-respect. This shit happens every day. This shit didn't happen this way. If there's one thing I can take back, is the words I said that day. Hell, hell, hell.
I gotta cut that chick, 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 cut that chick. I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my ends. I need my chick, I need my chick, cut that 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 chick.
I am all done. I'm giving you guys a quick peek of my new growth. You see how much it done grow? It grew about 1 inch. And I've been oiling my scalp every 2 to 3 days.
Cut that chick, 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 cut that chick. I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my ends. I need my chick, I need my chick, cut that 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 chick.
And here I am with my Cray-Fit pillow. I have mixed that with my goat's milk Canachon, however you say that. It's a Dominican conditioner. And I am going to be taking some coconut oil and pouring some of that in there. And I'm pouring it in a bowl with rice water. And I'm going to be adding a 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek. And I told you about the benefits of fenugreek in my rice water video. And I'm going to take all of this and put it in a applicator bottle and put it all over my hair. The reason why I do this is because I hate taking my hair down dry. I think that you get more breakage if you take your hair down dry. So I always take it down with a deep conditioner.
Call it how it is. Niggas. I promise you, swear. Yeah, bitch. Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Mask on, fuck your mask on, mask on, fuck your mask on. Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch. 2 cups, toast her with the gang. From food stamps to a whole nother domain. Out the bottle, I'm a living proof. So ain't compromising, $500,000 on the food. Drug house, looking like a roof. Graduated, I was overdue. I'm a pink mountain, I can barely move. Ask about me.
got me fucked up. Ooh, niggas got me fucked up.
Wait, the remix card.
Fucked up. Ooh, niggas got me
Now look at this bullshit.
fucked up. Ooh, niggas got me fucked up. But I'm not the one. Niggas got me fucked up. Ooh, niggas got me fucked up. Not today, not the one. Niggas got me fucked up. Ooh, niggas got me fucked up. But I'm not the one. Niggas got me fucked up. Ooh, niggas got me fucked up. Not today, not the one. Fucked up. Ooh, niggas got me fucked up. But I'm not the one. Niggas got me fucked, 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 fucked. Niggas got me fucked up. Fucked, 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 fucked. Niggas got me fucked up.
I'm not fading, I'm not